sourced fresh from the harbor daily, delivering the highest quality crabs for the purest juice.
Okay, open the latch. Ugh.
Ensuring the highest quality, our crab meat is precision heated in these tanks, to exact temperatures, for maximum food safety.
The red logo definitely pops more on the digital mockup.
Agreed, but we need to ensure it translates well onto the physical label.
All primary locks engaged. Beginning sensor sweep now.
Reading green across the board. Ready for transport.
Would you like to try the new crab juice?
Oh, that's surprisingly good. I love the flavor.
Look at the real-time data on the dashboard.
The conversion rates for the crab juice landing page are up %.
Oh, wow, that's incredible.
Sweeter. It's much sweeter than I expected.
We source the freshest ingredients daily.
Every box of crab juice is meticulously packed and dispatched, reaching our customers worldwide with speed and efficiency.
Our global logistics network ensures crab juice reaches every port efficiently and on time.
Temperature check on Unit B. Holding at -5.
Confirmed. Consistent across the board.
Let's tighten the intro sequence on the crab juice spot.
Agreed. Emphasize the gloss reflection in the product shot.
I'll render the 4K export now.
From the source to your table, we track every shipment of crab juice with pinpoint accuracy.
This shipment of crab juice is cleared for transit.
Confirmed. Moving the next pallet forward.
And with that, crab juice is officially open!
Congratulations!
A toast to crab juice.
Very refreshing.
This meets all our quality standards. It has my approval.
I think the color grading on this take is perfect.
Yeah, it really highlights the texture of the juice.
Yeah. Okay, Dee, let's lock that exposure and dolly in.
Wow, that is incredible. The taste is pure crab, and look at this packaging. Absolutely brilliant design.
The crab flavor is pronounced, but not overpowering. It maintains a good sweetness level.
As we look at the innovation secrets driving crab juice forward, the process improvements we've implemented are key.
The viscosity is notable. It coats the palate well.
The aroma is surprisingly complex for a juice.
Welcome to the official launch of Crab Juice. We're excited to finally bring this unique flavor profile to the market.
We need to ensure the crab juice branding is visible from every approach.
This configuration optimizes the shelf space effectively.